Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video we are going to see TestNG Annotations. Let's get start the video. First, so let's see what is test annotations and what are the annotations are available in TestNG. Annotations in TestNG are lines of code that can be controlled how the method below them will be executed. For example, suppose you have 5 test cases. One method is written for each test case, and assume that the program is written using main method without using TestNG. When you run this program, first 3 methods are executed successfully and the 4th method is failed. Then to correct the error present in the 4th method, now you want to run only 4th method because first 3 methods are executed successfully. This is not possible without using TestNG. The TestNG in Selenium provides an option that is TestNG file.xml file in test output folder. I will show you an example. To run only failed test cases means you run that XML file. This will execute only failed test cases. Here we have few annotations like test, before test, after test, before method, after method, before suit, after suit, before group, after group, before class, after class. Let's see this one by one. At the rate test, we will, as previous video we have seen one example. At the rate test marks a class or a method as a part of the test. And the next one is before test. Before test annotation, this method which is marks with this annotation will execute before first at the rate test annotation method. And the next is after test method which is marked with this annotation will be executed when all the at the rate test annotation methods are completed. The execution of those classes which are inside a test tag in testng.xml file. And the next one is before method. A method which is marked with this annotation will be executed before every at the rate test annotation method. And after method, after at the rate after method which is marked with this annotation will be executed after every at the rate test annotation method. And the next is we will going to see before suit. Before suit and after suit both. The before suit annotation runs before any test annotation method in the class respectively. This annotation start the beginning of the test for all the classes in a suit, and after suit annotation runs after any test annotation method in a class. This annotation ends that end of the test for all the classes in a suit. Before group, the list of groups that we have configured method will run before. This method is guaranteed to run shortly before the first test method that belongs to any of the group is involved. And the same as after group, at the rate after group, a list of group that is configured method will run after the method. This is also guaranteed it will run shortly after the last test method that belongs to any of this group is involved. That is the at the rate after group. And before class and after class. Before class annotation method will run before the first test method in the current class, and after class annotation method will run after all the test methods in the current class have been run. We have seen what are the types of TestNG annotations are there, and these annotations are self-exploratory, meaning it is one of the primary reason to prefer TestNG as it is simple and easy to learn. and see you in the next video. In the next video we can see all about how the TestNG annotation flows will go with example. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.